Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be going into a unboxing or unbagging from a new store that I have not tried yet, and it's Boohoo. I've seen other people try it, but I haven't tried it myself, and I'm actually using Afterpay to pay all of my, goodies and everything like that. If you don't have a credit card or anything like that, Afterpay is an app. I'm not sponsored, but I do want to share with you guys, if you are looking at stores and new companies that you want to try out but don't have the money up front to pay $80 or $90, you can actually use Afterpay app, and I'll leave everything in the description down below, and they will cut your full total in 4 installments. So you would pay like about $15. This one was about $19 for 70 bucks. So I pay $19 for 4 times to pay off my Boohoo bag. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. So we're back with fashion and everything like that, so don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification down below, because I'll be putting up more fashion every Monday on my channel, and then every Friday is Car Confessions. If you have not watched that, I'll link it up here somewhere. I hope you guys are having a great day and hope you had a great weekend. Now let's get into our Boohoo bag. So the first thing that I seen on the site, I was really surprised that they do have a plus size, because their models are skinny models, but they do have some curvy models on the site, so it was pretty easy to look at and everything like that. And right now they're having a sale because it's Valentine's Day and they want you to get your Valentine's Day look and everything like that. So that's what I based off my order today, is what I would wear for Valentine's Day, what makes me, sexy or feel sexy. And I'm hoping, I'll try this on for you guys, I'm hoping that I feel the way that I envisioned through, because you don't know until you try it on yourself that you like certain things. So I got my bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I love the bag. I'm so bummed that I have to rip it open, but the aesthetics is so cute. Okay, so the first thing I see in here is the dress. This is a plus rib V-neck jumper dress, and it's in the color silver. They do have 2 other colors. I think it's maroon and black. I didn't want to get black items because I own so many black, it's crazy. So I wanted to step out of my comfort zone and get something a different color. So I got silver. I know it's not much because it's still a neutral color, but I'm actually really digging this. So it looks like this, and it is a dress, so hopefully it's long enough. I mean, I'm pretty short, so I don't really have problems with things that go down past a certain point, but you never know. So just to recap, I'll put my stats down below. I am 4'11", and my waist size is a 16 to 18 women's. So this is what that looks like, and it says it's a size 22. I think I got this extra oversized, so I definitely went a little over because it looked like a bodycon to me. It looked like a bodycon dress, so I don't like things hugging as much, so I got it as big as I could. So this next item is a cozy thing. Oh, what is this? Plus leopard knitted oversized cardigan in 20 and 22. I don't know if I think they just sent me, hopefully they're the right sizes. Okay, so this is the oversized cardigan. I did get a leopard print because I do love this print, but I don't own anything. And when I saw this, it looks like little hearts, if you can see right there. So they have like cute little heart, leopard print heart design on it, and it looks super cozy. So I'm actually gonna try this on right now because it is a jacket and it feels really nice. The make is not cheap or anything. Oh yes, I like it a lot. Okay, so this is a chunky sweater, so, and it doesn't feel itchy or anything like that, but it's got some stability and some warmth to it. So that's what that looks like there. I wish, the only thing that is a bummer, but it goes down to the knee. I'll insert pictures here, but the only thing that really is not great about it is I wish that these had pockets, but I understand not everyone has, you know, need pockets on their cardigan, and that my arms are a lot shorter, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to roll these up, but that's to be expected because I am a shorty McShort short, as you guys know in my card confessions. That's what I call myself. And so everything has to be rolled up, but actually that looks pretty cute rolled up. It doesn't look it doesn't look weird. I mean, I could do it rolled once, but I think I like it rolled twice. So that's what that looks like. It's super warm, and I definitely will get use out of this sweater, this cardigan. Actually, I'm going to wear it for the rest of this video because I actually like it a lot. This is an item. Okay, so this is an item that I got. It's a small embellished fishnet tights. I got this to wear with my silver dress, but also for another video. It's going to be a surprise. So if you know anyone that does the sparkly fishnet stockings, yeah, that is an idea. But I'm scared because I haven't worn tights like fishnet stockings in a really long time. So wish me luck on that one. Okay, and last but not least, I got the Plus Satin Flare Sleeved Ruffle Playsuit in the color Blush. So I guess I did get these all in a size 22, 20. I think they based it off of, if I remember correctly, if it's like 1X or 2X, and I think I put 2X in there. Okay, so really quickly, this is very nice quality. As you can see there, it's a satin. I definitely wanted something like this. The color, is it a blush? Somewhat a blush. I have some other blush things, and that's more on the pink side, but it also may have to deal with the fabric as well. So it's kind of leaning more nude in my opinion, but I'm not mad at it because it's still a cute color. I'll still rock it. Okay, and it is a jumpsuit, so we'll see because I don't have any boobage. And at the bottom here, there's a ruffle on the bottoms, which make it extra cute. I thought this would be cute for Valentine's Day night out with your husband. but obviously if it's cold out there, because it is raining here, and if it's cold where you live, definitely I recommend putting some type of tights, or maybe you could style them with leggings, but I'm not too sure. Hey, focus on me. But yeah, so it is a long sleeve, so this long bell sleeve, which I love, and the ruffles are so cute, but it is short, so we'll see. Let's try these on. Okay, as you can see, that I do hold all my weight in my midsection, so that's why I like wearing my leggings. But I have to wear leggings with this. I thought it would come down a little further, but it definitely stops like right there. So if I didn't have leggings, it'd just be too short. So this is more like an oversized sweater and not an oversized sweater dress, unfortunately. But it is still really cute, and I am keeping it because it's nice and warm, and I actually really like how big and cozy this is. But definitely wearing this with my leggings, and not gonna change, you know, I'm not gonna wear it without leggings. So this is what it looks like on me. And yeah, so I like this sweater, but it's not a dress. So my girls are not secured enough, so I'm gonna go ahead with my butterfly pin. This is what I used to do in high school, because every time this situation happened, I don't have enough control, or like enough boobage to hold this up, like, but so I have to always put a pin here. You could always put a seamless pin, but I always went with something that was not so seamless. But I'm gonna actually pin it across here. Okay, so it's Valentine's Day, or it's a night out with your hubby, and you want to look super cute. This is definitely an outfit for you, or if you want a statement, it's definitely for you. I usually use a pin, but I wanted to go a little bit lower so you could show a little bit of girls, but I don't have girls, so I usually go in with a pin like this. And this belt is super cute. I'll show you the length of it. So it actually goes down to my knees, and I'm 4'11". So it actually is, it hits where I want it to be. And these sleeves are super long, but I'm not mad about it because you could just pull them back like this. Definitely have to wear, like, if it's cold outside, which it is cold outside here, you'd have to put on like fishnet stockings, or some type of stockings, nude stockings or whatnot. But I actually super like this. I could, you know, the only downside would probably be the fit of the top here, but as you can see, I fixed it with a pin, and the fact that it zips up in the back, so obviously you have to have some help with that. But I actually like it. It's super cute, and definitely a statement piece. You could use this in the springtime when it gets a little bit hotter, so it's not just a Valentine's Day thing. You could use it in spring, summer. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please give it a like if you did. Please let me know if you want me to shop at boohoo.com again and see what else is trending out there for whatever season it is. I also have been shopping at Fashion Nova. I haven't showed you what I got from Fashion Nova because of the fact that it was only one outfit. It wasn't a lot of outfits. So maybe I will show you guys what I got from Fashion Nova when I do another Fashion Nova, if I do a Fashion Nova haul and everything like that. But I hope you guys like this video, and that is it for my video. Like always, stay super sweet. Bye.